Hi everyone, today I will show you how you can edit the email template in your Dotted store. Whether it's your order confirmation email or the email to reset your password or actually any other email sent by your online store, I will show you how to customize them so they fit your brand perfectly and your customers will recognize you easily and trust you more. For doing this, we will use an application that's free on Dotted Edge, like every applications, and you will see it's very easy, it just takes a few minutes. Welcome to the Dotted Edge channel, where I show you how to build your professional online store using our platform, Dotted Edge. On Dotted Edge, all the features are free, and we show you how to use them here on this channel. So if you don't have a Dotted Edge account yet, you can sign up for a free trial on our website, hellodr.edge/en. You will find the link in the description below. Now let's go. I will let Max, our AI YouTuber, show you how to edit the email template of your online store. Let's go.
Hello guys. First you need to head over to your dashboard by clicking on Dashboard at the top left corner of your screen, just beside Edit Page. Then, to the left, you'll see a list of menus. You find and hover your mouse over Applications, under which you select All Applications. Then, here you'll find a library of applications, but we need to locate the WooCommerce Email Customizer with Drag and Drop Email Builder. For this, you need to head over to the search box and type in email. Then activate the application, and then you click on Access. Note that you need to have order placed already in order to be able to customize email templates. For the sake of this tutorial, I will go ahead and create a sample order. You can do the same if you have no order yet. So to the left section where we have the menus, I will go to Orders. Then at the top left corner of the screen, I will click on Add Order. Then I will fill in some sample data just to get things rolling. I will set the status field to Completed. I will leave the customer field as it. Now for the item section, I will click on the Add Items button at the bottom left side of the section. On clicking this button, 5 more buttons will emerge at the bottom right side of the item section. I will click on the first button that says Add Products. Then a pop-up will show up where I need to search for a product in the store and add it. After this, I'll scroll back to the top and look to the upper right side of the screen and click on the button that says Create. After this, the order must have been added to the system. Then, let us navigate back to Applications from the list of menus on the left side of the screen. But this time, instead of navigating to All Applications, we will be clicking on My Applications because we have already activated the application that we need. Then you go to the WooCommerce Email Customizer with Drag and Drop Email Builder and click on Access. Here, at the top panel, you'll see a drop-down button that says Emails to show. You click on it. I will select the new order template. Then we move the drop-down button beside it, which says Sample Order to show, and select an order. After these, the system will load up the default template, and to your left are the widgets and elements that you will need for the customization. To your right, you are going to have the settings menu of how your template looks. You can use the elements to build the templates from scratch, but with the help of the default template, you can now draw inspiration of how you can customize yours. I will now walk you through all of the elements and how you can use them to customize your email templates. When you hover over an element, you see the name of the element. Let's start with the first one, Logo Image. This element helps you insert your company store logo so that your emails can be synced with your brand. All you have to do is to click down on it and drag it to where you want your logo to be. Now, to add your logo, you can only do so with an image URL. To do this, you can directly go to your media library. So you need to go to the menus and click on My Store, and then on Media. If you do not have your logo uploaded, you can add it by clicking on Add News on the top. By clicking on your image, the details will appear, and you just need to copy the URL of your logo. Back in our application, when you click on the logo element you just added to the email template, the settings panel will emerge at the right-hand side of your screen. Now here, you'll see a field named Image URL. All you have to do is to delete the default URL you find there and replace it with your image URL. By doing this, you'll see that your logo will replace the default logo. You can also change the background color of the logo if you like, by just clicking on the background color field under the image URL field and tweaking it as you like. The next element now is the title and subtitle. You'll want your email to have a nice structure of title, subtitle, body text, and footer one email signature if you wish. With the title and subtitle, you can easily customize what your customers see when they get the email. Let's say, for example, since we are customizing the new order email template, we would want to have "You have placed a new order" as the title, and then "See the details" as the subtitle. To write this text, you need to click on the element as we have done previously. Then, to your right on the settings panel, you'll see the fields where you'll add your title and subtitle. Also here, like the previous element, you can also edit the background color, you can even edit the text color and the text font. The next element is the divider. This helps to provide spacing between two elements, so we can achieve a cleaner and more professional look. To use this and all other elements is very similar to the steps that we have previously taken before. All you have to do here is to drag and drop the divider in between the elements you want to separate. Then on the settings panel, you can change the background color of the divider to suit your purpose. Now on to the next element, which is the order items or product items. This will help you display the ordered item, product. You don't have to worry about the technicalities of how it works. It will automatically populate the items a particular customer ordered and display it right there. And all you have to do is just add the element to it. You can also choose to edit the background color or the font. Now, there is something really cool I want to show you. You can make these emails as personalized as possible. If you look under the font area, you'll see a shortcode. This shortcode is to display the order items. You can use these shortcodes to write the names of the user or their usernames. All you have to do is to navigate to the top of your screen. You'll see a button called Shortcodes. If you click on the button, you'll see a bunch of several different shortcodes. You can look through them, and all you have to do is copy whichever one you need and paste it to where you want it to be. Always remember to save your work progress so as not to lose all that you have done in case you accidentally close the tab. To do this, you need to navigate back to the upper side of the screen. Beside the shortcodes, the button right, you'll see other icons. Just click on the green icon to save your work progress. The next element is the billing address. This element, similar to the last one, will help you display the billing details of your customer if needed. You can change the background color to whatever it is that you like and also change the font style. Right after billing address, we have the shipping address. And this also helps to display the shipping address. That is the address the items will be delivered. The best thing about these templates is that once you have set it up, you don't have to visit it anymore, unless you have something you need to change or update. Dr. Tech pretty much handles everything for you. No matter the number of emails being sent daily, every customer will get the same format each time, but with personalized details. Then we have the editable text box that helps you to create custom text on any part of the template, and you can also use the shortcodes to personalize your email, e.g. username, user ID. Just copy and paste in the text field. And yes, you can absolutely change the text color and font, and also the background color. Up next, we have the billing address and shipping address. We have treated this previously just that as two separate elements, billing address and shipping address. So the settings are pretty much the same. But with this element, you can display both billing address and shipping address in a structured format. Up next, we have the customer info and addresses, which allows us to display the customer information which was collected from the user during the checkout process. Now, if you want to add a copyright text, social links, disclaimer, or even a signature at the end of the email, you can do that by using the next element, footer. This is usually located at the bottom of an email. As I mentioned earlier, you can add your social links to your emails. This can be done by using the next element, social icons. When you drag and drop this on your template, you will immediately see social icons, and you can click on it to tweak the settings. On the settings panel, you will see that you can add your social handle links to replace the default links on each social icon. You can also change the background color of this section. After this, we have the button element in your email. If you need to add a call to action that involves asking your reader.customer to click a link, you can do so with the button element. When you drag and drop this element on your template, you will immediately see the settings panel. You'll see different fields to set your button to what you want. The button text field is to change the text displayed on your button if you wish to do so. The URL field is to input the link of the destination. Make sure you remove the hash mark. Then add your link. Now to the next element, we have the coupon element, and this helps to increase your sales as it is a brilliant way of making sure your customer comes back again. When you thank them for their current purchase and you give them a free coupon for their next purchase, they'll feel valued and are more likely to come back again. To achieve this, just drag and drop the element onto your template, and you can see that it has been populated with short codes for next order coupon. I am not going to go over the coupon creation process in this tutorial because I've already made a video talking about it. You can find the link in the description. Now, last but not the least, we have the background color icon to change the look and feel of your background. And you can absolutely decide how this looks. When you are done with all the necessary customization, you can go ahead, save your progress, and preview how the email will look like. To preview, you navigate to the top of the screen and right beside the shortcodes button, you click on preview and know that you can always change whatever you wish to change. And you can do this for all email templates. You have the power over how your customers perceive your brand. This brings us to the end of the training. See you on the next one.
Thank you very much, Matt, for the tutorial. Now, if you have any questions, you can put them in the comment below or contact us on the customer support. We will be super happy to help you. On this channel, we'll show you how to build your professional online store from A to Z. We'll show you how to increase your sales. We also talk about design and our very cool AI tools. So to go further, you should have a look at the other videos on this channel. You will find some very cool features that you can add on your store right now. And all of those features are free on Delta Tech, so you can add as many as you want. If you like this video, please like it and subscribe to see our next videos. And thank you very much for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.